The National Weather Service in the Galaxy Center has issued a tornado warning for Nashua County in the state of New Hampshire, Lawrence County in the state of Massachusetts, Worcester County in the state of Massachusetts, Boston County in the state of Massachusetts, Norwood County in the state of Massachusetts, Hyannis County in the state of Massachusetts, Kara Tropical Coast Beach in the state of Grox Empire. Until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, trained weather spotters were tracking a catastrophic tornado moving in a unknown line in a unknown speed. EFX tornado emergency for 1 county in New Hampshire, 5 counties in Massachusetts and the Kara Tropical Coast Beach. This is a extremely dangerous situation, take cover now. Hazard: catastrophic tornado and penny-size hail. Source: law enforcement and weather spotters confirm tornado impact. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris will be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. The following highways and bridges are affected: Arizona Gov Groxian Highway 25. Arizona Gov Groxian Highway 21. Groxer State 170 from mile markers 20 to 30. Arizona Gov Groxian Bridge. To repeat, a catastrophic, extremely dangerous, and a very deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building or an underground shelter. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm. Tornadoes are difficult to see and can form in night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado, take cover now. This is an emergency situation.
Hey, you gone came here. I'm bored.
Hey!